mi hanye manye. The good Lord has blessed us with yet another year, and the Ga State will commence activities preceding the celebration of the annual Homowo festival. We have invited you here this morning to brief you on the activities preceding and culminating into the 2023 Ga Homowo festival. The Ga Traditional Council announces to the public that the 2023 Ga Homowo festival will commence with the Shiba, that's cleansing the sacred farm, on Monday, the 8th day of May 2023. This will be followed by the Wulomo, that is the ban on drumming and noisemaking, on Monday, the 15th day of May 2023. During this period, the Ga State will fast and pray for rainfall, a bounty harvest, and good tidings. The Ga State will also pray for the country and its citizens to continue to keep the peace, the love, tranquility, and good spirit. The Ga Traditional Council urges the general public to take notice and observe the rules regarding the ban on drumming and noisemaking to help maintain the peace, harmony, and security within the Ga State. This shall include: 1. All worship centers should confine their activities to within their church premises. 2. Noise making, including clapping of hands, the use of tambourine, and other musical instruments should be avoided during this period. 3. The positioning of loudspeakers outside the church premises and mosques is banned during this period. 4. Roadside evangelism and the use of megaphones and other loudspeakers should also be totally avoided during this period. And 5. Funeral rites and its related activities are also banned during this period to a week after the lifting of the official ban. I want to stress on the 5th one. Funeral rites and its related activities are also banned during the period to a week after the lifting of the official ban. The 15th day of June 2023 will be the Udada, that's the lifting of the ban on drumming and noisemaking. This will be held at the forecourt of the Ga Mantse Palace, that's the Ga Mantse and the Ga Mantse Schoolhouse. A task force working with RECSEC and various metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies has been set up to collaborate with the Ghana Police Service and the other security agencies to monitor and ensure compliance with the ban and prosecute culprits who fail to comply. The Ga Traditional Council shall further count on the cooperation of the various stakeholders in ensuring strict observation and compliance with the Ga customs, practices, and usages. The Ga Traditional Council, by this notice, entreats all persons within the Ga State to comply with the month-long ban on drumming and noisemaking and refrain from making derogatory remarks about the rights, customs, practices, usage, and beliefs of the Ga people. This is who we are, and we value our tradition and culture. Thank you all for coming. Afi.